My beautiful people, I don't come again with another sweet goat stew. My people, I just say my quick prepare this stew for hubby because hubby say he won't eat goat stew. So I just dey wash the tomatoes. The first thing I need to wash my tomatoes so that to avoid sand. Right now, my people, na the goat meat be this, so see am, I don wash am and I still dey wash am. I use salt wash am because of sand, make e just quick comot for the goat meat. Una know say goat meat no get power and goat meat e no dey hard to dey done. My people, I don wash our goat meat finish o. Una dey see am like this. I don throw for the washing of the goat meat and I dey put am for inside my pot. Right now, my people, I need to rinse am well to put am for inside pot. Na im be this, so I don put am, I come put am for my gas, dey put my spices. So I don put my thyme, don put everything. Some people no like to put all those things, just put little because e no get power. So my goat meat now, e don dey boil choko. I dey try dey turn am. I don turn the goat meat because I fit tell you before, e no get power. E no be like meat wey can dey done well or make you go leave am for hours make e dey done for there. Now goat meat don ready, e don done. My people, una dey see am. Right now I don dey remove am o because the goat meat e don done. I wan ready to stew my stew for hubby. Hey, yummy stew for hubby. Right now my people, I don pack everything comot for inside the pot. So e just remain little water because me I no put water take boil am o, and the water wey can come out na im be that. So my people, I dey pour my groundnut oil put for inside the pot make I wan take stew am. Right now my people, I just wan put my little onion for inside my groundnut oil. Now I dey pour my tomato put for inside. My people, no be small thing. We must eat because we need am. So I don pour my tomatoes put for inside the pot. Right now my people, I go make sure say I cover my tomato make e for quick boil. See am, see as e dey do kotokoto. I cover am. I check am again, e just dey go up. Then I need to put my maggi. So I don put am inside, make everywhere, make e sweet round the stew. Una dey see am. To prepare goat soup stew, e no hard at all. E no dey take time. In fact, as you dey do am, just time yourself, give yourself. Now the goat stew don ready. My people, I don cover am again o. Una dey see as the thing dey boil. Una dey see the way e dey do koto. So I cover am. The thing don dey boil round. I try turn am because make I know, make e no burn for under. So if you like to turn your own, you turn am. If you no still like to turn your own, that depends on your choice. You fit leave am, but me I like to turn am so that e no go burn. But I no just dey turn am immediately. I go turn am when I know say e don reach to turn. My people, I don dey put my meat inside o. See am o. The reason why I no quick put the meat because I first talk say our goat meat e no get power. So if you put am on time, everything go just, you come to melt, you come this very soft. Like the one wey we wan prepare for baby. Na no baby meat dey soft well. But me, I no want make it soft like that. That make her I quick put I not quick put them inside. Right now, see my people, we don't dey ready our stew. Hobby go soon bring plate come oh. Yeah. Hobby just dey waka around to bring plate come take in own part of it. No be small thing. My people see, I don't turn this stew like this. I don't put them inside. Hey. I won't try make I cover am. I don't cover this stew, my people. Now they see this stew like this, so hey, see am. Oil don dey for surface of the stew. Our stew be this, so our stew not hard at all to prepare. Yummy goat stew for hobby. Abeg, make una bring una plate oh. Make una bring everything. If una never subscribe, make una not forget to follow this family. Yummy stew.